Hey guys, wanna know how to log into Splice by using Google? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, you should open up the splice.com website. So simply open up your web browser and type in splice.com. Now, once you're there, simply click on this login button on the top right here. Now, once you're there, in the first menu, you can see continue with Google. So simply click on it. Now once you're there, you need to sign in. So simply choose any account or just sign in to Google account. Select continue. And there you have it. Super simple and easy. In just a few clicks, you have been logged in. As you can see in the top right corner as well, your profile has been signed in. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.